How to sync Obsidian notes across devices using Google Drive. So if you want to do this, you need to keep your Obsidian Vault inside a Google Drive folder. And Obsidian stores notes as a local markdown file inside a folder called a vault or whatever you call it. So what you're going to need is Obsidian downloaded on your desktop and also the Google Drive. Sign in to your Google Drive and whatnot so that your Google Drive can technically sync to whatever device has the account. And from there, you can go ahead into your Obsidian, since once you have your Google Drive downloaded, it should just give you a Google Drive section over here like this. But anyways, other than that, you can go ahead to your Obsidian, go to your Obsidian vaults and press on manage vaults. You could create a new vault for a very separate one, or you can choose an already existing vault. But in our case, we're just gonna go ahead and create another one, and we can name it whatever we want. So, and after that, we can go ahead and browse into our files and find the Google Drive. And Google Drive is already here, so we just go ahead and choose the Google Drive file and select that folder and create. My bad. Choose the My Drive. You can put it anywhere you want actually, but as long as it's in here, it should sync the Obsidian file or vault. So select the folder and press on create. This is your new vault, blah blah blah. If you go ahead to your Google Drive, go and find the file, it should say like this. There's no cloud symbol yet. You can go ahead to your Google Drive first and just wait for it to sync, and then after a while it should be now synced automatically to your Google Drive. So for Android, you can use a folder sync app like AutoSync for Google Drive, or folder sync to copy that Google Drive vault folder into a local phone storage, but that's pretty much how you do it in this method. So hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.